Hello guys, welcome back to our session. So in this session, we'll be doing a question on para summary. So this is a short session in which I'll be dealing with a question on para summary. As we all know that para summary is very important for in VRC section. Last year also there was 3 questions in from para summary, right? So without further ado, let's start this session. So now on the left side, you can see you have your paragraph, okay, along with the question, and on the right side you can see you have your options. So let us read the paragraph first, and then we'll be solving the questions and reading the options and eliminating the ones, right? So this is how it goes. So let's start. The argument for liberalization, which answers the worries of the left parties about the possible trade deficits created by the opening up of the Indian economy, goes thus: in today's economic scenario, where there are many trading countries, the trade between two specific countries need not be balanced. Okay, so when there are many trading countries, the trade between two specific countries need not be balanced according to the paragraph. Now from here, the differing demands of goods and services and the differing productive capabilities of the same among different countries will cause a country like India to have a trade deficit with some countries and surpluses with other countries. Obviously, we know compared to some countries like Africa, India will always be leading, and compared to some countries like maybe China or maybe Russia or America, India will have a trade deficit. Okay, so the author is trying to express that it is not the same scenario everywhere. It always, yeah, like it is something that is not same everywhere with everyone, right? Now from the last part, on the whole, the trade deficit and surpluses will balance out in order to give a trade balance. So on the whole, the deficits and the surpluses, both, okay, the deficits and surpluses will balance out in order to give a trade balance, right? Now the question is, which of the following conclusions best summarizes the argument present in the passage above? So which conclusion best summarizes the argument present in the passage above? Okay, so on the right side you can see you have your options. So the first option says left parties need not worry about trade deficits in India, since its trade will always be in balance even though it runs a deficit with a single country. Okay, it was somehow or somewhere it was mentioned this point that left parties, see, in this part, just let me just change this pen. See this word worries. Okay, how this word has been used? It has been used in a way, it has been said, the argument for liberalization which answers the worries of the left party. This is how the word worries has been used, and how the option is using this word. Just check this thing. This option is using left parties need not worry. It is giving a suggestion. So it is giving a suggestion. Well, we are here to summarize a passage, but option number A looks like a suggestion. It is not a summary, although it is touching the points, the ones which author has touched, right? But even this looks like a suggestion. This does not look like a summary. So option number B says India's trade deficits and surpluses with other countries always balances out. Okay. Option number B talks about a surety, or because it is using a word always. It says India's trade deficits and surpluses with other countries always balances. How can we say it always balances? It is only talking about India's, but like the paragraph is touching a broad picture, a bigger picture. यहाँ पे बस इतना बोल दिया गया कि हमेशा होता है. हाउ कैन वी से ये हमेशा होता है? जनरली एक आइडिया है दैट ट्रेड डेफिसिट एंड ट्रेड सरप्लस नॉर्मल हो जाता है, बट क्या ये समरी हो सकता है इस पैराग्राफ? नो, although it is maybe 50%, 60% correct, but this is not the, like you can say, this is not the summary, right? So this can also be eliminated. Option number C, the left parties in India should not be concerned. Again, it is giving a suggestion. Now, from the very first line, you can see that we can eliminate this option. Why we can eliminate this option? It says the left parties in India should not be concerned about. It is giving suggestion, but we are not here to find a suggestion. We are just supposed to use the information given in the past paragraph and to summarize it. Okay, so this is not a summary. So I don't think A, B, and C are satisfactory. So we can go with D, none of this. Again, this is my option, this is my logic. Again, you may have a different approach. You may have different logic. And if you think this answer is not clear, it is not logical, please do comment down below. I'll be more than happy to address it, right? So there you go. So we'll meet again in another session. Till then, happy learning and bye for now.